Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. It is Monday, October 5th. We're going to take a look at one of the trades from earlier today in the futures trading room that worked out really well. That was a long in crude oil on a break above 46.61 with a target of 30 ticks or $300 a contract. Went long from 46.63 and was out. I had my exit at 46.93, so exactly 30 ticks. Worked out really well. Now, first things first, this morning we went through and we looked at all the markets and we said, you know what, there's just not a really good setup anywhere. So we said we're going to be sitting on our hands and waiting for that good setup to appear. What we had, crude ended up breaking out earlier on and then pulled back and gave us a bull flag setup on our 30s and our 60s. And the thing that made this a good setup is we had 30-minute bull flag, 60-minute bull flag, and we had bullish momentum on our 120-minute and 240-minute price charts. And we were coming up off of a daily hammer from Friday. So we had all of our time frames lined up saying, okay, crude should go higher. We ended up looking at this. If you look at where we broke out from, we waited all day long, finally break out at 46.61. We're long from 46.63. About 5 minutes later or 3 minutes later, we hit our profit target. So not a bad trade at all. And this is just one of the advantages or one of the reasons when you're trading, you got to be patient and just wait for those good trades. Don't feel like you have to go in and place a trade just so you can participate in the market movement. One of the things that causes traders to lose money a lot of times is they're too impatient. They want to be in the market. They want to be experiencing the ups and downs. They're seeing the market move or market make, and they're not patient enough to wait for that one good setup. Another thing I always tell people is the best trades are going to work out right away, especially with how we trade in the trading room. With the futures trading room, we're always going for, well, typically we're going for about $250 to $300 a contract in profit. And we're looking at breakout trades for entries. And with a breakout trade especially, the market should move your direction almost immediately, just like it did here. So great job for those of you in the trading room that sat on your hands all day in the trading room with me and then took the long on crude oil. Worked out really well. That was the only trade I took today, and only one I'm going to take because we were having some issues with TradeStation about 15 minutes after this trade. So that's all I have for you for today. I will talk to you in the trading room tomorrow bright and early. And until next time, happy trading.